Hi, this is Victor with spiceandadvice, and this is another episode of Spice and Advice Drink Edition. It's Sunday, you're having your friends over for brunch. How about a BFF Mimosa? Oh heck, it's Tuesday and you deserve a BFF Mimosa. We start with 1 ounce of Cointreau and its citrus liqueur, 2 ounces of mango nectar, and then you fill the rest with Prosecco Brut because we want it dry. Look how beautiful. And then you drink it. Oh yes, your friends are gonna love you. For this recipe and other recipes, check out our website in spiceandadvice, and also please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and follow us on Instagram, Spice and Advice and Spice Nom. Thank you so much and salud.